Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this cute little nugget holder that I created with the Pansy Patch stamp set and our fun tag punch. You're going to love this elegant edge that you get when using the punch. And of course you can find all these products in my online store. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. For this project, I'm going to start with the stamping. I'm going to pick up my sentiment here, ink up in the Berry Burst, and stamp right in the center of my panel. I love the fact that I can see through my photopolymer stamps, making this quick and easy to do. Now that I have that done, I'm ready to start assembling. I'm going to score my Berry Burst cardstock, and I'm going to score this on the 2.5 by 4 inches, and I'm finished with my scoreboard. I can now bring in my elegant edge tag punch, and it's got this beautiful open edge. I'm going to unlock it, slide my cardstock panel in, and flip it over. This way I can see how I'm punching. I've got it butted up evenly, and I can punch, turn that over, and repeat on the other side. There we go. I've got my punching done, and I'm ready to start adhering. So I'm going to bring in my sentiment panel here and place it right here on the top. I'm going to place that even distance from the sides, leaving a little extra room here on the top. And then I'm going to bring in my Designer Series paper, and I'm using the back side here because it goes with the Berry Burst and my 2 Hershey Nuggets. I find using my mini glue dots for this quick and easy, so I can just pick up a glue dot on the wrong side that I don't want to show, place it on my nugget, and use my fingers to wrap around, and then simply line up the edges and adhere. I like to do it this way because I do not want any adhesive against the candy. I haven't found it to be the case, but it is possible the adhesive could affect the taste of the chocolate if left on there long enough. I've got my 2 nuggets done, and I can put my mini glue dots to the side and bring in my bone folder. I'm going to score on each of these lines like so, and then I'm going to open it up. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Seal Plus because I want a nice adhesive for this that's going to really be sticky, and I'm going to add, let's see, the 1 nugget here and then 1 next to it, and that'll fit right inside your nugget holder. There we go. I am going to now add a little mini glue dot to the back side of my holder, like so. And then I'm going to bring the tip together and line them up and press. What that does is seal my little nugget holder, and I'm ready to add an embellishment. For this one, I'm going to take about 4 inches of ribbon, and I'm going to tie this in a knot. You'll love the little shimmer on this ribbon with the silver edging. It's very pretty and elegant. And I love the fact that it comes in 3 colors, so you can use it for all kinds of projects. I'm going to trim that other end now, and I'm going to add a mini glue dot. Let's see. Right here on the back, like so. And if the fact that the ends are not exactly lined up, you can trim again with your paper snips. There we go. And I've got this cute little treat holder that holds 2 little nuggets. And I love this little sentiment that can be found in the Pansy Patch stamp set. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.